There is no single mold for a politician. There's not a single personality type, career. Get a mentor. It's really helpful. Be prepared to be knocked down. There's life after losing an election.
Be authentic and take the consequence. Never forget who elected you. You need to represent them all. It doesn't work with special interests only.
Be prepared to explain yourself. Know your community. Get out there and meet people.
Encourage bringing people together, finding common ground. Look for what's the next action. Never say no right away. Be sure that you really understand the situation and the perspective of the stakeholders.
It's not something you do for money. Just know that this is your passion and it's what you want to do, but it's very fulfilling. It is worthwhile to give back to your community and feel like you've helped to shape something that you can be proud of.